Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Saidatun Azizah and my student number is 221302014. Today I'm going to tell a story and the title of the story is The Gift of the Maggie by O. Henry. But before I start to tell the story, I'm going to tell you what is the Maggie. So, refers in the story, Maggie refers to the wise men from biblical narrative of the birth of Jesus Christ. So the term Magi typically refers to the three wise men who visit Jesus after his birth. But in the story, The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry, the references the Magi highlight the wisdom and selflessness exhibited by Jim and Della in their sacrificial acts of giving up their most treasured possessions for each other's sake, similar to the wise man act of giving gifts to the baby Jesus. Okay, and now I'm going to tell you the story. So this story starts with Jim and Della. They are a married couple. They live with love and they always support each other every day. But there's one problem with their happily married life. So tomorrow is Christmas and Della really wants to buy a gift for her husband, but she only have $1.87. She doesn't have any more money, and that's all money she have. So she confused. How can she buy a gift for her husband? She really confused, and she is thinking in her room in front of the mirror. When she is in her room and she in the mirror, she look herself and her hair, and she start to thinking, what if she just sold his hair to the salon, and the owner of the salon name is Madame. So without thinking anymore, she just cut her hair and sold it to the salon. After that, Della went to the Madame salon and she asked Madame, how much money I get if I sold this hair? And Madame answered, oh, young lady, do you cut your hair off? She was a little bit shocked with Della. Yes, I cut my hair because I need money, said Della. And then Madame going to bow Della's hair. She's bought Della hair with $20. After Della get the money, she's going to the clock store to buy a gift for her husband. So she bought a watch for her husband because she thinks that a watch really match for her husband's personality because her husband is a really on-time person and really hardworking man. After get the watch, Della going back to her house and she is going to her room. Della was sad because she cut her hair short, but in the other side, she was happy because she can buy a gift for her husband. But Della didn't know that her husband also bought a gift for her. Jim always come to the work early every day because he also wanted to give a Christmas gift for Della. Della is really want a beautiful comb for her hair, and Jim is really wanted to buy that comb for Della. But that comb is really expensive, and that's why Jim work every day to get money to bake that come for Della. In the evening, after Jim was back from his work and arrived at home, he knocked the door, but he doesn't found Della in living room. So Jim went to the bedroom and found Della in front of the mirror. Jim was shocked because Della's hair was short and he didn't know that his wife was cut her hair. So he said to his wife, "Oh, darling, why you cut your hair?" And Della said, "Please don't be mad at me. I have a reason why I do this. I really wanted to buy you a gift, darling, for Christmas." Gemma was shocked and she said, "You don't have to do it." And Della also said, "Do you still love me even my hair was short?" And Jim said, "Oh, darling, I will love you no matter how your hair is it short or long. I will always love you." After that, Della gave the watch to her husband. Her husband was shocked because he also have a gift for her wife. And then Jim gave the comb to the Della, and Della was really happy and also feel sad because Della's know the comb was expensive, and she really thanks to her husband because he bought the comb that she always wanted for a long time. At the end of the day, they hug each other and thank for each other because the surprise they never know each other. So the moral of the story is it teaches us that the value of a gift is not measured by its material worth, but by the love, sacrifice, and thoughtfulness behind it. Both Della and Jim give up and their most prized possessions to buy gifts for each other, unaware that the other has made a similar sacrifice, despite their sacrifice resulting in gifts that are now useless. Their love and devotion remain unchanged. The story highlights the importance of selflessness, empathy, and the enduring power of love in relationships. So that's all the story from The Gift of the Magi by O. Henry. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.